Welcome to Python. Python is a popular programming language that's easy to learn and powerful to use. It is used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automations. So Python is loved for its simplicity, flexibility, and larger community. You'll find Python in Google, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, NASA. So now join me and learn how to use Python. Here I made a code that says today is the 5th of October 2024 and it is 12 degrees Celsius outside. So I used print and f string inside so that the code will be able to be run when there is brackets inside. So now let's try and change the temperature and see what's gonna happen. Since now our temperature is 12 degrees, let's now change this to maybe 15 and our day 10th, and let's change our month as well to maybe December. Now let's run our code. Our code is working. So to start this code, let's start from scratch and see what's gonna happen. Let me delete this code. So now let's start with day name. So day name is Monday. Let's say it's Monday. But remember, Python is not gonna be able to read, or maybe this name is not readable. So in order to make it readable, rather just put this between. So enter. So month, let's say month is October. In quotation mark, and day it's maybe 10th, and temperature it's 34. Now type print inside printf and quotation mark and say today is the, then this bracket, enter day. After day, press th of month, the brackets, and it is temperature. Quotation mark. Now let's run our code and see if it's gonna run. It says error. So why does our code says error? That means we made a mistake somewhere. It's definitely here where we put the full name of temperature. So it was supposed to be same as temp here. So now let's run our code. See, our code is running. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment so that our channel, other people can discover our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.